Hello. Now we will see practically how we can achieve Feign client, open Feign client. So as earlier discussed, open Feign using open Feign we can communicate with the server side programming. So earlier we discussed as part of API gateway we have defined some of the programs, student details, and we defined Spring Cloud API Gateway, and Eureka Registry and Account Management Search Student. So, as part of Feign client and Feign, suppose Feign want to communicate with the student details and with the help of Eureka Discovery client. So, for Feign client communication, we are going to reuse Eureka Discovery client program and student details. And this is one server side programming, and we need to create Feign client project. So for that what we have to do is we need to visit to start.spring.io. From here we can create the project. Now we need to add dependencies. So first and foremost we can add Spring Web. Earlier we discussed on this, and we can write Feign, open Feign. So first one itself listed, we can consider this one. And third one is you are going to register with the Eureka server. So Feign client also should register, because all other services, how those microservices are registered with the Eureka client, we are also going to register our Feign client with the Eureka client. So for that we need to take Eureka Discovery client. Then dev tools we need to take. Then Lombok we need to add. So we have added all the required dependencies. Now we can create Feign example. I am writing Feign example, and all other stuff is similar as we selected for other projects. Now we can generate the project. Now project is generated. Go to downloads and extract here. Then import to your project workspace. So here I have maintained two workspaces. One is server side programming, another one we are going to write client side programming. So this is a client side, and I am going to import the project. Import project as a Maven project. So existing Maven project. Now you can select download Feign example. So finish. It may take few seconds of time to get it ready. Once it is ready, now it is taking little time. 9% is completed. So while it is getting ready, we should not disturb the project. If we are disturbing the project, what will happen? Project structure will not be created properly. Sometimes it happens, not always. So it is better to wait till the project completes. Then we are going to ensure required dependencies. Once we registered the required dependencies, then as earlier said that this Feign client also should register in Eureka server. So for that, we need to do some manual update from the properties. Like we need to register the server.port and Feign client name we need to suggest and under which Eureka is running, like under which port Eureka is running, and we need to do Spring Dev tools should be enabled true. Now project is completed 100%. Now go and explore this project, and you can see the project is created, and you can also verify whether all the required dependencies has ensured or not. And we can see web we have added, and Netflix Eureka client we have added, and Feign added, and DevTools added, and Lombok added. So we have added required dependencies. Next, what we have to do is go to resources and verify here, and you have to write server.port. Server.port, we can say any port number 8081. Now spring dot application dot name equal to any name we can suggest, Feign ms. So whatever we are giving the name, it will start in the Eureka registry. When we start the Eureka registry, go here, and Eureka port number we need to specify, service URL dot default zone equal to HTTP localhost 8010 EUREKA, Eureka. So you have to verify whether this port number is correct or not. How we can verify is, you can go to Eureka server client, and you can visit these properties, and you can see, you can also copy paste same localhost 8010. So same it is available. So same one we are going to ensure here also. Then spring dot devtools dot restart enabled equal to true. Now it is configured. So Feign application we need to ensure here one adjustment we need to do, one annotation, like open Feign clients we need to add. Open Feign clients, not open, it is enable. Open Feign, enable open Feign. You can give enable Feign clients. Open, so that no, your client program will be considered as open Feign client. So this annotation we need to write in our application. Now our when we start this application, this one will run on 8081, and it will get registered at 8010. So we, before going to test Feign, we will see whether this Feign client application will register at Eureka server or not. For that, what we have to do in server side, we need to ensure this Eureka server is getting started. So let me start this Eureka server client, and this one we are starting, and here this project student details. So when we verify in browser, Eureka client is a browser type, and there student details and Feign client should start. So student details also, let me start. Student details, it will start, and parallelly you can go and verify here. You can start this project. It will run on 8081, as well as at the same time this Feign client will connect with Eureka server client also. So sometimes we can also call like open Feign with Eureka server client, and we need to verify. Before writing any of the client-side programming, this configuration we need to ensure. Let us see whether this both servers started or not. Here both servers started. Then wait for here. And this is also starting. And same here, you can go and verify HTTP localhost 8010 Eureka. So you will be able to see here Eureka. Then student MS is this one, and this is a unknown because we need to specify this name in Eureka server. We need to specify, see 8081, we have started this one, we have named as a 8081 in our port, and student microservice also started, and this one will start on this one. So here if you are not giving any specific name, and it will become as a unknown. For this unknown also we can change. We can change in, this is a Feign MS, and we need to specify the name. So that what will happen, some adjustment we need to do. This unknown will change and it will look like a student MS. So if you here we have selected as a small name, Feign MS. So this one is not considered. And here some spelling mistake was there. That is the reason it is giving some problem. So you can change it, application dot name. Now I hope this error will resolve and it will restart. Let us wait for restart. Then Feign MS, it should appear. And go and refresh here. See, Feign MS is changed. And whatever we have given the name, here inside this Feign client, server is running on 8081, Feign MS and 8010 Eureka. That means your Feign client is connected with the Eureka server. So we are successfully created the configuration. From here we can write any of the program, then we can easily connect with the server side program. So our primary intention is to connect with the server side. So Open Feign client is greatly helpful for communicating with one service with another service. That means a client side communication with the server side. So client can communicate with the server, and whatever the server side service client can consume. This is about the configuration with Open Feign and Eureka server registry. In our next session, we will see other examples. Thank you.